Good evening. Welcome to the session. And I'm super excited to have this session with you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
And how are you doing? Sorry. How are you doing today?
Yeah, now only started morning, ma'am, here. Now only started
So
morning.
what time is it now?
Now 8 o'clock. Morning 8
In
o'clock.
morning. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In my side, it's a evening.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I
Yeah,
know.
yeah. So we are meeting for the very first time. So firstly, I would love to know something about you. So please introduce yourself.
I am Bona. I am from Tamil Nadu. Currently, I am living in USA. I am homemaker. I have two kids. I have been learning English for 7 months. Mm, I have YouTube channel. I have created solo videos, conversational videos I uploaded. If I talk about my hobbies, when I get free time, I am learning this language, listening some music, and baking some brownies. That's all about me.
Yeah, great to know about you. So let me introduce myself.
Yes, ma'am.
As you know that my name is Kiran Shah. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but I'm living in West Bengal. I raised and brought up in West Bengal. And if I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors. And currently, I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. And simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel where, like, name English with Kiran, where I upload English related content like a solo video, sometime grammar related video, and conversational video I upload. And if I talk my hobbies, so now I'm into interact new people. So reading, cooking, and interact new people. These are my hobbies. That's all about me.
Nice to hear that, ma'am.
Yeah. So you are basically from South, South Indian, na?
South India. Yes, ma'am. Right.
Okay. So yeah, how long have you been living in USA?
It's been 11 month.
11 month.
Yes.
Recently you have okay. You have went there. Sorry.
Yes.
Recently you have gone there, right?
Yes. Last year, May month, I moved here
Okay, May
because due
month.
to my husband job.
Okay. So I think your study, all things happen in South India, right?
Yes, ma'am. My
Okay,
native place, South
great to
India.
know. Yeah, yeah, definitely. And you have mentioned like it's been 7 months you have been learning English language, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So tell me about your journey. That how did you face difficulties? Like what type of difficulties did you face when you started your journey?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, First of all, last year, September month, I started this journey. Before that, I was not able to utter sentences. I used to study Tamil medium in my hometown. So when I moved here, I struggled a lot because there are American people. They are speaking English language only. So I didn't understand their accent also. So last year, September month, I have gone here one English class, spoken English class. So
Okay,
simultaneously, I am practicing at home also.
okay.
So I am starting with the listening practice, and I have been watching any one conversational video till now. One day, any one
Okay.
conversational video.
You
So
are listening.
in between 2 months, I am not consistency in this language. So after February month, I am consistency till now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you have a baby boy, right?
Yes, two baby boy.
Yeah, two. You
Yeah,
have
two.
two kids?
Yes,
Okay, that is why you are not consistent because it's a managing home and taking care of kids,
yes,
and
ma'am.
simultaneously you are running of your YouTube channel. So it's a very, I mean, it's a difficult little bit, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now you are doing, so really you are doing remarkable job these days,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
I have started YouTube
So
channel last month, 1 month only. So now
yeah,
it's
yeah.
going good. But it's too
Okay.
sometimes it's too difficult. I didn't get proper time to make conversational video. Sometimes I missed. So that's what I mean.
Okay. So how old are they?
My first son, 8 years old. He's studying third grade here. My second son, toddler, 3 years old.
Yeah, that is why you are now you are facing some problem because it's not a, I mean, it's a not cup of tea to managing all the things,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, when they will grow up, then you can do, right? You're
Yes.
practicing, you're running your YouTube channel, you can do it. But now little bit difficult this time,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Right.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, definitely. Great.
So
So yeah,
tell me,
please
ma'am.
go ahead. Yeah, you want to
How do
ask
you
something,
learn
right?
English, ma'am? Tell me your English journey. May I know about that?
Okay.
Because you have been learning English 1 year. I have watched your
Not
video.
1 year, 10 month.
Oh,
It's
10
been
months.
10 months. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Earlier, I just, yeah, actually, my journey was started like I some like 4.5 year back. Something happened with me, okay, and due to some reason, I had to leave my own house. After then, like 2.5 year, I didn't do anything because I was totally devastated that time. Okay, because living own house, it's not easy, right? Because we are inclined toward our home, right?
Mm.
All time we are emotionally attached, I would say, like we are emotionally attached with our home. When it's happened with me, so I was totally devastated and shattered. But I wanted to change my mind because that time I used to think a lot. Okay,
Mm.
so
Yes.
I started to change my mind. So that is why I used to watch some sentences, like that time Kanchan's Kesari madam video was viral, right? That time just
Mm.
yeah, so I used to watch sentences, but I was not fond of learning English language. Just I wanted to in my mind, so that's why I watch that type of sentences. Okay, but and after then just I watch 1 year I used to watch. Okay, then after I just sometime whenever my mood, so I used to watch conversational video. Okay, but and I was not serious that time, but it's
Mm.
been 10 months back. So I got to know that due to English language, my children were facing some difficulties at school. So that time I decided myself, and that time I became serious about
Mm.
learning English language. And my journey started from that. And I was, I took serious that anyhow I have to learn this language. So I started and I took subscription for audio call. And then after I just stick with it 6 months for audio call, because audio call helped me to open up my mouth, because I was
Yes.
not able to utter a single sentence, because I am from Hindi background and I left my study for 10 years. So it is not easy for me to restart my studying. Okay. So that time it is very difficult for me. So I would say like audio call helped me to open up my mouth firstly. And then after I just 6 months, and then after my husband told me like if you want to improve a lot, if you want to gain your confidence, then you should speak in front of camera. Okay, so that's why I started my journey, and I created my own channel, and now I'm working. It's been 5 months. I have 5 months back I created my channel, and now I'm running my channel. So I can say like I'm happy with my life, and now I'm learning, now I'm growing, and there is no room for thinking negative things, right? And
Yes.
especially I don't have time.
Hmm.
for yeah, for doing any useless work, right? And whatever I have time, just I use for learning and doing household chores and taking care of my family. So it is like a good opportunity for me, and God helped me a lot for learning this language. And in my journey, when I left my home, till, till then, my God helped me a lot. So I thankful to God. Like now I'm running this channel, and I'm running. I mean, I'm I'm right path, I would say, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So thanks to God, like I'm running, and I'm growing this day. I'm improving, right? So this is my journey, and so yeah, great.
Sounds good,
So
ma'am.
yeah, yeah. So any question do you have?
Hmm.
Any other?
So currently, what are all the practices are you doing, ma'am? Currently,
Currently, I mainly I listen
listen,
conversational video when I yeah, when I do my household chores in the kitchen. So that time I turn on the mobile, and I start listening.
listening, listening and
Yeah,
speaking with coldness.
listening and speaking. And I just 2 or 3 days back, I started reading practice, because I had to face pronunciation problem. I have sometimes I'm not able to pronounce in a proper way. So that's why I'm started my reading practice. So now it's going on. Mainly just one page I try to read, right?
Sure, ma'am. Thank
So
you.
this is how I'm doing this type of things. Yeah. So
Do you
so
have
is
any
there
question, ma'am?
any? Yeah, yeah. So many question I have. So that is why I ask you, and now I will ask you. Okay, that is there any wish do you have that you want to fulfill your dream as soon as possible? Do you have any
Dream.
dream? Yeah,
Yes,
dream.
ma'am. One day I want to speak with fluent English. That's only currently
This is
dream.
your wish.
Yes.
Okay. Best of best of luck for that.
Thank you, ma'am. Because
Yeah, definitely.
I have learning this language 7 months, but still I am struggling a lot to speak with another people
Yeah, it's a
because
happen. It's a normal, right? We are surrounded by our mother tongue language, right? So whenever we start something, so we feel like it's difficult, right? But if you stick with your speaking practice, if you stick your goal that I have to learn every single day, so definitely you will learn, right? There is no doubt. Whatever you want to learn, it's not about only language, right? Whatever you want to learn, definitely you can learn. It
yes,
is a, like a language. Where, for example, how can we learn your mother tongue? What is your mother tongue?
Tamil, Tamil, ma'am.
Yeah. So how did you learn Tamil language? By listening, right?
Yes,
So this is, and you are practicing, right? When you were child, that time you did practice more and more, so that now you can speak Tamil language. So
yes,
this is how, yeah, this is a English is a language, and you have to practice every single day. It is
yes,
a long journey, right? It's a lifelong journey, I would
yes,
say. So you have to practice every single day. So 1 2 years, definitely you will get your fluence,
yes, ma'am. Definitely.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it will take time, but you will get. This is our opportunity that we can learn at home. There is no need to go outside. Yeah,
Yes,
right. These days, social media, we can leverage this opportunity, right? I learned English from, I learned English at home.
yes,
I
ma'am.
didn't take any classes for spoken English. I learned English at home. So I can say, like nowadays, learning anything, it's a easy, right? Just we have to be courage to speak every
Mm,
single day. Just try to speak. Yeah, and now you have a kids, you have an opportunity to talk to them,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
So you
Definitely.
can speak with them.
Right.
right? So do you speak with them in English sometime?
Sometimes I speak with the English with my son, first son, but he is speaking only my mother tongue. Because when he had school, that time he speak with his friend in English
Yeah,
language. Because it's mandatory in school only they are speaking English
English.
only. So, but when he come here at home, he speak only our mother tongue.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes I
Yeah,
speak
it's a
English.
habit. Yeah, I think it's a
Some
habit, right?
yes, I have
We are
yes, ma'am.
habituated for speaking our mother tongue,
Mother
right?
tongue, right?
When we speak our mother tongue, we feel emotion, we feel
Mm,
affection. Like if when you speak in other language, then that time you feel uncomfortable.
yes,
It's
ma'am.
happened with you.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
It's
happened
happened with me also.
lots.
I speak with every stranger, right? Whatever
Mm,
I have knowledge, I try to speak. Yeah, I can say like I'm not fluent. I'm
mm.
learning because it's been 10 months. It's not possible to get fluency so far, but somehow I try to speak, right? But I do not speak with my kids as much. Like just a little bit whenever I in my mood, so I speak with them in English. Mostly I speak in my mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
So I think it is my habit,
Mm.
right?
Okay, okay,
Because
ma'am.
of habit, it's happened with me.
Okay,
Great.
one question, ma'am. Have you ever been
Yeah,
to
yeah.
South India?
No, I didn't get chance to go there, but I
Okay,
have a wish to go there. It's my bucket list.
okay, okay.
Yeah, because there it's a very amazing place, South India, and it's so many gods temple
Yes,
there,
temple is
right?
very famous in South India.
Yeah, very
Lots of
famous
place.
temple are yeah there. So I just heard about that, but I didn't get chance to go there. So it is my bucket list to go. So have you been to Kolkata?
Kolkata, no, ma'am. I never gone, but I have visited Delhi one time.
Yeah, Delhi.
Delhi. I
Yeah,
have
Delhi.
visited. I have visited India, some many places. India Gate, Kutupinar, so many places I visited.
Yeah, yeah, I have
But
been to there Delhi. I have been to Delhi
okay,
too.
okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So what would you like to do in your leisure time?
Mm, when I get free time, I am learning this language only, ma'am. Nowadays, I immerse myself in this language.
Okay.
I have watched any one conversational video, any podcast, so I am listening. Apart from that, I am speaking with any co-learners per 30 minutes per day.
Oh. So you take session every day?
No, ma'am, because I
No.
have toddler. So
So it is
three
not
days,
possible.
once 3 days, and one 2 days once like that. So I am
Okay.
beginner only.
So, yeah, yeah. So as a homemaker, which part of the day do you like most?
Because I like afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon early in the morning. Because that time
Okay.
my second son sleep. Usually he sleep that time. So I utilize. I am learning this language.
Yeah, afternoon time?
Afternoon, yeah. Afternoon also I am learning sometime because my
Okay.
son sleeping that time. So that time I am learning. I
You
am
like
reading any books. So that time.
okay, so afternoon time it's your precious time and you spend more and more.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Great, great. Very nice. So tell me something about your place that you told me you are from now you are speaking from USA, right?
Yes,
So tell
ma'am.
me something about that place because I don't know anything about this type place. So tell me something.
Okay. First of all, I am living US, Illinois, ma'am. Illinois.
Okay.
So now only spring, the weather is good. The spring has started here. So nowadays, sometimes sunny, sometimes raining. So weather is unpredictable here. So whenever sunny is coming, that time we can go outside with family and friends. We can meet our friends also because we are living in Indian community here.
Indian community.
Yeah,
Okay.
lots of
So
North
you
Indian and South Indians also living here.
okay. So you don't feel like I'm out of country now? You don't feel?
But I felt earlier like that, but now I am habituated in this life here
Okay. So
because
whenever
I
you go
have got,
outside,
ma'am.
yeah, whenever you go outside, so do you meet with foreigner like the person who lived there, who lives there?
Yes, I met a lot of foreigners here. When I get a supermarket and my son's school and hospitals, but I met a lot of foreigners, but I didn't speak with them. My husband only can manage anything.
Hesitation.
Yes,
Due
now
to
only I'm
hesitation,
beginner.
right?
I didn't
Yeah, yeah.
understand their accent also. So,
Accent. Yeah, yeah.
so my husband only can manage everything.
Yeah, after passing, I think 1 or 2 years, then after you will get that how can I speak, right?
Yes,
Because it will take time. Now it's been 11 months only. So you feel now hesitation, but
yes,
after passing 2 or 3 years, you will be feel comfortable to speak with them.
yes, ma'am. But
Yeah.
earlier I felt very embarrassed that time, but now I'm okay. Now I am understanding. Now a little bit I have confident also.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. When you stick your speaking practice, definitely you can speak, you can gain your confidence, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. So, yeah, so now you are enjoying your journey, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, sure.
Great. So, is there anything that you want to discuss
Any specific channel do you recommend me? Do you recommend any specific channel, podcast, or anything?
for English?
Yeah, English only.
Yeah, currently I'm just watching a conversational video like Rajni ma'am. I think you know about her.
Yes, I know. I knew
Yeah.
Rajini ma'am.
So I watch her video, and sometime I so many YouTuber over the net. So I can yeah. Sometime I watch Sunita ma'am. You know about her, Sunita ma'am. So many YouTuber nowadays. So you can whatever you like, you can watch. Right? It's up to you that whom to whom like you. Right? This is up to you,
Mhm.
right? So
Okay.
and you just practice every day for speaking at least half an hour. You try to speak, and if you have more and more time, you can write, you can read at least one page, you can read. Because there if you there is a I think there is a four pillar for
Mm.
learning English language. But if you don't have time much time, so you can focus only listening mainly and speaking. Because this is a language, and if you focus only listening and speaking, so initially it will do, right, it will enough to you. And after getting fluency, then after you can go for grammar and accuracy, right, and you can write something, you can read something, right. But initially if you you told me like you are now started your journey, so you can start with listening and speaking, and mainly try to speak in fluent. And like mainly try to focus, yeah, you should focus only fluency first,
Okay.
right, then after accuracy. Don't make don't afraid of making mistake. Sometimes it's happen we feel like if what if I make mistake, right. It's happen with everyone, because we are learning this language, we are not pro, right. So whenever we start speaking, we make mistake, right. Whenever we start speaking, definitely we make mistake. If you go for your I mean if you remind like when I was a child, so that time when you when you started your speaking practice, definitely you made mistake,
Yes,
right. So this is a language. If you speak, definitely you make mistake. It's a normal. It's a not big deal. So
sure.
don't of making mistake. try to speak whatever in your mind, just try to speak, just go with flow. Okay, and when you get your fluency, then after you feel like now I'm able to express my thought anyhow. Maybe broken English doesn't matter, but
Hmm.
you can speak. Then after you should go for accuracy, because accuracy is also matter, right? So this is how definitely you will gain your fluency, and you will be a fluent speaker.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely.
Do you have any question, ma'am?
Yeah, currently I don't have any question. Whatever I had in my mind, I have already asked you. So I think we should wrap up the session because we are running out of the time. Meet
We
soon.
will meet a next conversation with different topics, ma'am.
Yeah,
Definitely.
definitely, definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, I should I should have spoken good morning, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
I wishes to you like
Good
yeah,
evening.
I wished you good evening, because in my side it's a evening
Evening
time.
time. I know.
Yeah,
Because 10:30 hours different from India to USA. That's the
yeah, yeah,
time problem only. Sometimes uh, I am message to wrong to another people. The totally I
yeah.
am confused.
So how many YouTubers you have talked till so far?
I have talked five YouTubers, ma'am. Five
Five
YouTubers.
YouTubers.
Yes,
Okay. So it's now it's six.
six. Yes, you are
Now,
six.
okay, it is six. Okay, great. And keep journey, keep learning, and keep smiling. And yeah, happy
Thank,
journey, English journey. So thank you
thank you,
so
ma'am.
much for joining me. And we will meet again, definitely,
Sure,
and
ma'am.
with topic. So thank you so much for
Thank
joining
you. Thank you so much,
and
ma'am.
giving me your precious time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.